All right, good morning, everyone. So today is Wednesday, marks another trading day of the week. So let's get into the pre-market analysis. The first pair on the list is USD card. USD card. So on USD card, I have a monthly, starting from the 3 months time frame. So I have my 3 months upper zone here, my 3 months lower zone here. And if you watch from the 3 month time frame, you see price is in a ranging zone or price is ranging. Have the push to the outside, creating a high, then it drop for a lower, an equal low. The price went for an equal high, an equal low, then you see an equal high again. Are you going to see an equal low? You don't know yet. But let's go through the lower time frames and find out. So here we are on the monthly time frame, and I have my monthly upper zone here, a monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame, you are seeing the exact same structure we saw on the 3 months, just a little bit different. This month time frame is, yeah, it's just the same. So there's not really much to see over here. So let's go to the weekly and explain it better. Okay, so here on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here. So if you watch the weekly time frame, price break was price was previously price was previously ranging over here, consolidating over here. Then it finally broke out all the way to the 3 month high. Then you could see a double top formed at the resistance there. The price broke, breaking the previous low, creating a lower low. So what you are looking for, we are expecting is price to go for a lower high, then a probably drop to the downside because of what on the 3 month time frame. We saw that price has started a resistance at the 3 month time frame. So we are expecting price to drop to the downside. So this is what you are expecting on this is what you are expecting on USD card. But we know that price should go here, tap into the weekly zone before the drop. So why don't we take advantage of the move from here all the way here before price drops to the downside? So let's go to the daily, then to the 4 hour and prepare for the entry. So on the daily time frame, I have my daily upper zone here, my daily lower zone here. So on the daily, we are seeing there's a nice structure. You can see price broke out of the daily lower zone here and close above it. So you know that definitely price is going to move from here all the way to here before the actual drop happens. So let's go to the 4 hour and see how we prepare for this entry. Okay, so here we are on the 4 hour. Okay, so we took this trade um, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. We took this trade yesterday, and it's currently running in loss, but it's normal since we haven't hit stop loss yet. Since we haven't hit stop loss yet, we just hold and find out whether we hit stop loss or price will go back into entry. But where price is at currently, if you get a candle confirmation here, you can still buy. like maybe a morning star, a significant pin bar, or a bullish engulfing, you see it at this particular zone, you can also buy. And when I see one, I will buy. So just be on standby. When I get one, I'll send a signal to the community. So that's how you are going to pick the you can pick the entry on USD card if you miss this setup. If you miss this setup. So that's it on USD card. Let's move on to the next pair. Okay, so the next pair on the list is GBPNZD. We previously analyzed this pair beautifully, and now price is kind of in our zone. So I just want us to go through one more time before we pick the entry on GBPNZD. Gonna be a long ride, a beautiful one. So let's anticipate. Okay, so on a 3 month time frame, I have my 3 month upper zone here, midway zone here, and the lower zone here. So from the 3 month time frame, we could see GBP NZD is, it looks like a downtrend though, but because of this strong support, we are not seeing the actual downtrend, and you can see a break of structure over here. So we are not really sure of the trend. So let's go to the monthly and see if we can find out something. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame, and I have my monthly midway zone here. So from the monthly time frame, there's really not much to say, just like I said at the 3 month time frame. So uh, be- but because of this move from here, strong move from here, we are going to consider this market a bullish market because of the bullish moves coming in from here. So when price is able to break out of this zone, before we know that's an actual bullish market. But for now, let's consider it at one. Let's consider it as one. So let's move on to the weekly time frame and see what's going on over there. So on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly lower zone here. So on the weekly time frame, you could see price is definitely moving to the upside, just like we saw on the monthly. So we are just going to be looking for buying opportunity all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. Okay, so here we are on the daily, and I have my daily upper zone here. So on the daily time frame, price is actually ready to move. You could see the double, the triple bottom over here, the triple bottom over here, and you can see the bullish momentum coming in from this support. So we are just going to buy from the 4 hour if we get the right confirmation, and that's exactly what you are seeing here. So on GBP NZD, we are buying now. Buy GBP NZD now. Buy GBP NZD now. That's a very nice setup. Our TP1 will be here. Then here will be our final target. So after we hit TP1, let me see. Okay. I wanted to say after we hit TP1, then we break even, but it's not right. It's not up to the minimum RR we use. So we use a minimum of 3 RR. So after we back 3 RR, then we break even on GBPNZD. But for now, enter manage your risks. Always manage your risks. Always use a risk management system so you'll be able to stay in the game for the very long time, for the long run. Not one loss will wipe you out. Okay, I always say that, and it's very, very necessary. So, this is it on GBP NZD. So, let me share it. When we are done, then I'll share it to the community. So, that's it on GBPNZD. Let's okay. I wanted to analyze GBPUSD, but what price is doing right now, I'm not sure you're gonna get what you want. So let's just end it on GBPNZD. So we have a very beautiful setup here which you can write. So let's write it. Let's not worry about taking more trades, because more trades, more losses, or more trade, more risks. It's not about how many trades you take, it's about how quality the trade is. So let's just don't worry about ourselves on that. So that'll be the end of today's pre-market analysis. If you haven't joined the free Telegram community, the link will be in the description. Click on it and join. This particular signal will be posted there, and you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. So yeah, you can also help this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking this and any other video you find on the channel, sharing with your family and friends, and also inviting them to come and have the good news of what's going on over here. So yeah, that'll be the end of today's video, and peace.